Hi guys, this is me again, the second placement program that is program for palindrome number using the iterative method. There are so many methods we can do it. This is using a normal method where normally everyone can do it. So this is a simple method where we have to see whether the given number is a palindrome or a number. Palindrome or not a palindrome number. So let's check what is palindrome first. So you guys don't know what is palindrome, right? So I'll teach you what is palindrome first and then we will go and see how to do the program. So I'll take a notepad. So palindrome means I'm giving a number. Palindrome means I'm giving a number called 121. So this number, if you extract, that means you will take the first number 1, reverse. After reversing, this first number will come as 1. Then the second number 2, again 1. So after reversing, you are getting again 1 to 1. That means the original number, this is your original number. Original number and after reversing number, both are same. So original number is 121 and the after reversing number is 121. So both are same. Both are same. That means this is palindrome number. So this is palindrome. So you take another example. We will do 3, 3, 2, 3, 3. Okay. So this is the original number. Original number. Okay. So after reversing, what is the number? You see, after reversing, again 3, 3, 2, 3, 3. Same. So both are same. Palindrome number. So it is a palindrome number. So if you take another number which is not a palindrome number, so you see 1, 2, 3, 4. This is original number. Original number. After reversing, you will get 4, 3, 2, 1. Both are not same. So this is not a palindrome. This is not a palindrome. But hope you guys understood the logic, right? So this is how we have to do. So now let's do the program, how we can do a palindrome number. Okay. So to do a palindrome, so last class also what I have told you, right? I will take you to the online compiler. I will take it to the online compiler and in the online compiler we will do it. We will test it. Okay. So what I'm going to right now do is we will do it in the notepad and we will do that in the notepad and then we will write it out. So how to do the palindrome number, we will do it right now. Okay. So guys, I'm going to do it. I will take the online compiler here. This is my online compiler. I'm going to take my online compiler here. Okay. So in the online compiler, now I'm going to do the palindrome, right? So my point is to do the palindrome number. So let's do the palindrome. How to do the palindrome number? To check the number is palindrome number or not. Or not. Using iterative method. Iterative method means normal method. Iterative method, that is through the loop. So this is what I'm going to do. Okay, so to check the given number is a palindrome. So I commented, this is my comment. Now, how to do this palindrome? So now first thing is you need to input a number, right? I'm doing in a very simple technique. I have to input a number. So I'm going to input the number in n. N is equal to. So I wanted the number to be integer. So I put int input enter the number. Enter a number. So I am entering the number here. Okay. So I am entering the number here. So I enter the number. Now after the entering the number, immediately you give it to a temp. You just give it to a temporary number. You just give it to a temporary number. Okay. Now we are going to reverse it. By the time no number will become different. So just store it into another number. It is always better. So now I'm going to reverse it. Okay. Now next is I'm going to reverse it. How do I reverse it? Now we'll have a look. Reverse. Reverse the number. So how to reverse the number? Now I will put a variable called reverse that is equal to 0. So reverse equal to 0. I will just put. And then I'll say, I will use the while loop here. While. I will use the while loop. While temp. I'm not using the n. I'm using the temporary variable where I had given that number. Temp not equal to 0. Till if it is not equal to 0, keep on doing. Okay, now I'll go as one tab inside because Python no indentation. Indentation is always one tab inside. So I say reverse is equal to reverse into 10. Reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus temp percentage 10. So reverse is equal to reverse into 10. This is reverse into 10. Reverse into 10 and temp plus temp percentage 10. Okay, I will explain you how will this work. Okay, just we'll do the program first. Okay, then temp is equal to temp. You have to use not division. You have to use floor by 10. Okay, I want only the quotient. I don't want the decimal. So that is why I use the floor. So that's enough for me. That is done. So I had done these things. So what I have to do is now I will get the reverse in the reverse number. After getting the reverse number, I need to check if reverse is equal to n. I have stored n there. If the reverse is equal to n, then I can say print the number. You can say the number here, yeah. Right, if you want that, you can use a number here, n. you can use say here, is a palindrome number. Palindrome. You can say this one, right? Now, L if, else what? No need of L if. You have to use L. Print. The number is not a palindrome. You can write the same thing. Is not a palindrome. Like this. So this much is enough for us. We don't have to write so many stuff. That is our code. Now let's do and check that how it works first of all. And then we will execute the program. Okay. We will understand how we have done. So I'll take a notepad and explain you guys. So we'll see here. First thing is what we have written is we are passing the number called 1 to 1, right? So we are passing the number 1 to 1. So you can see here I am just inputting the number here, right? Entering 1 to 1. Okay. After entering the 1 to 1, what I am trying to do is I'm just temporarily giving this number and reversing the number, right? So I'm just giving it to temp also 1 to 1. And this was n. N is having 1 to 1. N is 1 to 1, right? N is having 1 to 1. So I'm giving these numbers to temp also. Both N is having 1 to 1 and given this number. Now, next thing is I wanted to do the reversing. How do I do the reverse? My reverse logic is like this, right? Was my reverse logic? I am just going inside the loop. I'm just going inside the loop. I'll put it here, guys. Okay. Now see here. I'm just going inside the loop while temp not equal to, what is temp? 121, right? So 121 obviously is not equal to 0, right? I can go inside my loop, right? Then I set reverse. What is reverse? Reverse is right now 0 is equal to 0. What is 0? 0 into 10. 0 into 10 is 0 only, right? Plus, what is temp? 121. 121 percentage 10. So, here you will be getting here as 0 plus 121 percentage 10. That means you have to take the remainder. After dividing, you have to take the remainder. You will get the remainder as 1. Okay, so you will be putting here as, you will get the reverse as, what you will get the reverse as is equal to 1. 0 plus 1, 1. Right? That you got it. Now again what you are going to do, reverse you got. Now next one more thing you need to do here. What is your temp is 121, right? So 121 is equal to 121 floor 10. That means you are dividing, and floor means you are taking the quotient. So your quotient is 12 and you are replacing your temp. You are replacing your temp to 12. Not 1. This time is 12. Okay, so again according to the loop is finished here. So you will go the loop once again. So right now this time your temp is 12. So temp not equal to 0. This time you are not equal to 0, right? Yes. So again you are having reverse. So what is your reverse here? What is your reverse here? 1, right? So your reverse is 1. 1 is equal to 1 into 10 plus your temp is 12. 12 percentage 10. That means you are getting 1 into 10 is 10 only, right? Plus 12 percentage 10 is what you are getting. 12 percentage 10 is remainder is 2 only, right? You are getting here as 12. You are getting here as 12. So your temp value is your reverse value is equal to 12. So you are having 12 as a reverse value, right? So you got 12. Now again you go, again what is that you need to divide? You need to divide floor. You need to do the floor, right? So how will you do the floor? You have to do 12 is equal to 12 floor 10. So this time you are getting the quotient as 1, and that 1 you are putting in, replacing it to the term is equal to 1, right? So again you go back to the loop. This time also 1 not equal to 0, right? 1 is not equal to 0, right? You are not. So again you came inside, to the while loop. So this time your reverse is how much? 12, right? Your reverse is 12. You came inside, 12 is equal to 12 into 10 plus 12 into 10. What is your number here? What is your term number is 1, right? You have to type 1. 1 percentage 10. So you can see 12 into 10 is 120 only. 120 plus 1 percentage 10 is remainder is 1 only. Always 1 only. So you are getting 121. So your reverse is, this time reverse is equal to 121, right? Now again you will go and find that this, you have to find the floor also, right? So your number is 1. 1 is equal to 1 floor 10. So this time you are getting 0. 0 as in the temp. Quotient is 0 always. 0 coming this time. So your number here you are getting as 0, right? So now when you go to the loop, that is loop 0 not equal to 0. Right here, this is false, false. So we are not going inside. Now more. So you got the reverse number. You got the reverse number as 129, 121. And what was your n number? What was your n number was? We had stored the n number as 121, right? So if you finally see down, the reverse number is 121. Original number is also 120. So this is palindrome. So we got the palindrome, right? So if you take another example, you can see the same way. Like, what you will get. Take an example, another example. 123. Take example. And see that first you have taken n is equal to 123. Then you gave it to temp is equal to 123. Right? You made the reverse is equal to 0. And here you are trying 123 not equal to 0. Yes, correct. So your reverse is equal to 0 is equal to 0 into 10 plus, what is temp? 123. Percentage 10. So here you will be getting 0 plus 3, right? So your reverse is equal to 3. Now again you need to find the floor, that is 123 is equal to 123 floor 10, you will be getting 12. Okay, so your temp is this time is equal to 12, right? Now again it will take the 12 and check not equal to 0. Fine, yes, you go inside. This time the reverse is 3, right? So reverse is 3. 3 is equal to 3 into 10 plus 123 percentage, not 123, 12 percentage 10. So you will be getting 3 into 10 as 30 plus 2, right? Plus 2. So you will be getting 32. Clear? So your reverse is equal to 32. Guys, okay? Now again you need to go with the temp. Temp is equal to 12 double floor 10. So 12 double floor 10 is you are getting, what is that you are getting is equal to 2. Okay? So remainder is 2, right? Here you got 123, 12 and 2 this one. So again you are taking the 2, right? You are taking the 2 and going not equal to 0, right? So you will be like, how will you begin, right? Your reverse is, your reverse, what is reverse? 32, right? 32 is equal to 32 into 10 plus, what is your number? 2, right? 2 percentage, percentage 10. So you will be getting 332. Okay, 32 is 320. Here, here the reverse is you are getting, right, 12, right? 12 floor 10. So sorry, it is not the remainder. Here it is 1. It's just a mistake. Here it is 1. So here comes, it is not 2. It is coming as, we have to find the quotient, not the remainder. Here comes as plus, you have to put. Here comes as 1. 1 percentage. So 320 plus 1. That you will be getting 3 to 1, right? So you got 3 to 1. Again, you are dividing the 1. 1 is equal to, so you got the reverses here as 3 to 1. Reverse is equal to 3 to 1. And here you have to again say 1 double floor 10. So 1 double floor 10, again you are getting the temp by 0. So your temp becomes 0. Now 0 not equal to 0. So it become false, right? Not equal to 0. So it become false here. No problem. So you are not going. So if you see, your reverse number is 321 and original number is 123. So 123, here you can say that here 123 is not equal to 320, right? So how can you say, is it equal or not equal? It's not equal, right? This is false. So that means this is not a palindrome number. So this is how you have to find your palindrome number. Okay, so I hope you understood about the palindrome number logic. So let's do the program and see that. Okay, so I'm going to run this program. Okay, have a look here, guys. So you have to see the indentation properly when you're doing, because I copied from the notepad, right? So I have to do the tab properly. Okay. So else, yeah, you have to put the indentation. So I'm going to put right now 1, 3, 3, 2, 1. So it's a palindrome. Reverse also is coming correctly, right? So if I'm going to put the number as 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, not a palindrome. So all the ways, all the possibilities it's checking. If I'm going to put only 3 numbers, that is also will get. If I'm going to put the bigger number, 1, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, palindrome, right? So whichever number you are giving, how matter it is big or this, you will check the number, right? So this is the palindrome number. I hope you have you guys understood about the palindrome number properly. And there are other different technologies also, other different ways also we can do. We can do it by using the recursive way also, other ways also. In the upcoming videos, I'll be showing you the recursive ways also. Right now, I'm just showing you the simplest way. So learn the simplest way first, and then you go for the other techniques also, how to do the palindromes. So upcoming videos, there are a lot of videos, lot of programs are coming up. So keep watching my channel and keep watching the placement per 100 Python program, placement programs. It will be really effective for you guys. Okay. So tomorrow again another video is coming up. Thank you. Please do like, subscribe, and comment also. And if anybody wants any program, wants to explain and anything, you can put it in the comment section. I will consider it and I will do it. Thank you. Thanks a lot.